high volume.
Hey guys, it's your girl Natalia.Armoni and I'm back with another hair review. So in today's video, I'll be installing and crimping this hair. This wig is from Alipearl. It's a 24-inch platinum blonde highlighted straight wig. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and it's 180% density. So beginning, we're going to take a small section and brush it out and apply this Got To Be spray. And the crimpers that I'm using today is the bed head crimpers. All the information will be down below on all the products that I'm using. So first, as you see, I went ahead and sprayed that Got To Be spray on this section, and then I'm taking my crimp and pressing it. But wait, before you even take the crimp, you want to brush your hair out and make sure the hair is smooth, okay? And then you want to take the crimper iron and continue to press and go along the like ridges. Like, I was thinking how I'm going to explain this to you guys. So you see how I'm crimping it and I'm picking up on the last crimp that I left off with. If you know, can understand that. But y'all just watch carefully. But I'm pretty sure you guys know how to crimp, but if you don't, please just watch carefully to what I'm doing. And you see I'm continuing to brush the hair because it's very important for the hair to be nice and smooth. To prep this wig, I did bleach the knots, I plucked it, and I blow dried it out just so I can really make sure the hair is nice and smooth. And that's why I'm doing it on straight hair as well. It's better to do it on straight hair. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me crimp. It's really nothing to it. I think crimping is such an easy style to do. Like, anyone can really do it. So yeah, go ahead and watch me crimp, and I'll be back when it's time to install the wig. Okay guys, you already know we're going to go ahead and take our Hair by Erica J lace adhesive and use 3 to 4 layers. Smooth out every layer until it's clear, and then add your next layer. And then we're going to go ahead and melt the wig into the glue. It's kind of difficult applying the wig when the hair is already styled. I did kind of mess up the crimps a little bit, but I just made the best out of it by kind of like brushing it out and giving it that wild, like, wavy look. But if you can crimp the hair while it's like on your head, that'll probably make the crimps like last longer. Plus, I did the crimps the day before, so they kind of was fresh when I first did it. But nevertheless, I think it still came out cute. Just FYI, if you want to crimp the hair while it's on your head, you can definitely do that. I just thought it would be easier to crimp it on the mannequin because, you know, so I can see everything. But okay, y'all, look at this lace. Like, it's melted. Oh, I also wanted to tell you guys I did use lace tint for this wig because I did notice it was kind of transparent lace and it gave off that like white cast, as you can see. but I use the True Match lace tint. This was my first time using it, so I think I liked it, and I'm definitely probably gonna be using it again when I get transparent lace. And yeah, so okay guys, go ahead and finish watching me apply this wig. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I've seen so many people wear this hair straight, curled, but I wanted to give you guys something different by crimping it, and I love the way it came out. Thank you again, Alipearl, for sending me over this wig. All information will be listed down below, so make sure you guys go check that description box out. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and press that bell notification to be notified when I upload a next video. I love you all like always, and I see you in my next video.